Hey there, I am Francisco, and today I will help you back up your iPhone photos before you upgrade your device to the latest iOS 18 version. As its developer beta is already out, many users have recently faced data loss scenarios while upgrading their operating systems, so I do recommend that you back up the valuable memories before carrying out this operation. For this purpose, you will be introduced to different backup methods to keep your iPhone photos safe. Now please make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to stay updated on such technology-related solutions. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Solution number 1. How to back up iPhone photos to PC or Mac. Once you have decided to update your iPhone to the latest iOS 18 version, you need to back up the photos to avoid any data loss situation. For this purpose, I really recommend that you use a secure third-party tool such as Wondershare Dr.Fone for easy data backup. With the help of this software, you can schedule wireless backup to rid of the complex process. So if you have already backed up the previous data, utilize this efficient photo backup tool to carry out incremental backup to save the updated files. Users can also preview the photos and videos from an iOS device while storing them on their PC. Other than that, this tool allows you to restore any content from iCloud and iTunes for an extra layer of safety. You need to follow the steps explained ahead of time to complete this backup process efficiently. So after launching Wondershare Dr.Fone, access the My Backup tab from its main interface. Now establish a connection between your PC and iPhone with the help of the Lightning cable or USB-C cable as needed. Moving forward, hit the Backup Now button to enter the new screen for the data backup process. Afterward, this backup tool will detect and back up all the file types present within your connected iOS device. Now wait until all the backup data is successfully backed up on your PC to avoid any loss of photos during the process. So once the backup process is actually completed, a prompt window will show the detailed backup information. To see the backups created with Wondershare Dr.Fone, click the View Backups or Open in Folder button to preview the newly backed up photos. Solution number 2. How to back up iPhone photos with iCloud. If you're looking for a more direct method to back up your photos, iCloud storage will be a good option for you. Using this straightforward method, you will be able to create a backup of your device without the need of any third-party software. However, you will face storage limitations, so you will be asked to pay to expand the storage capacity if you aren't already paying for a certain amount. So go through the steps explained ahead to store your iPhone photos in iCloud backup. Start the process by accessing the Settings application and tapping your Apple ID. Upon reaching the next screen, hit the iCloud option to enter the relevant settings for backing up your data within the iOS device. Afterward, you need to access the photo settings from the Apps Using iCloud section. Within these settings, enable the Sync This iPhone toggle to automatically back up the photos with the iCloud app. Solution number 3. How to back up iPhone photos with iTunes. Now, users are facing storage restrictions while trying to back up their data using iCloud, so these users can try iTunes for this purpose. You will need to establish a connection between your iPhone and your computer to utilize the software for data backup. However, users without technical knowledge may find it difficult to perform this operation. Now, I will explain the detailed instructions you need to follow to back up data using iTunes. After launching your iTunes application, connect your iOS device to the computer with the help of a designated cable. Once the connection is established, tap the iPhone icon on the top left of your screen and hit the Summary tab to reveal several options. Finally, press the Backup Now button under the Backup section to successfully complete this task. Solution number 4. How to back up iPhone photos with Google Photos. When talking about the best methods to back up your iOS photos, this third-party application can be a good option. Now, after backing up your photos within Google Photos, you will be able to access them on any device using the same account. In addition, users can utilize this indirect method to back up their pictures in Google Drive. Take guidance from the steps explained ahead to learn how to back up your memorable photos using this Google app. Now first, you need to provide permission to Google Photos to access your images stored in the iPhone. To do so, enter the Settings application and swipe up to enter the Google Photos settings. Now tap on the Photos option within the next screen and allow full access to this application to view and back up your photos. Moving forward, enter the Google Photos application and tap on your profile icon to access a pop-up window. From here, hit the Turn on Backup option to enter the backup backup settings menu, from where you can optimize the image quality while backing up the photos. Solution number 5. How to back up iPhone photos with Dropbox. Other than Google applications, you get the opportunity to back up your iPhone pictures within Dropbox as well. Using this iCloud storage for free, you get 2 GB of space to store your pictures, videos, and other multimedia. If you want more storage capacity, this tool will require upgrading to the paid plan. Users who want to create a backup of their memories on more than one device can follow the instructions discussed ahead in this video. Begin this data backup process by launching the Dropbox application on your iPhone. Now access the Account tab from the bottom left of your screen to continue with this process. Moving forward, just go ahead and tap on the Camera Uploads option to reach a new screen on which you can adjust the backup process settings. Finally, press the Turn on Camera Upload to back up all the photos present in the camera roll of your device. So throughout this video, I have discussed the best methods to back up the iPhone data to give you a sense of security blanket in case of data loss. While upgrading your device to the latest iOS 18 beta version, you need to take special care of your data, as many are facing this data loss situation all across the world. Among all these methods, Wondershare Dr.Fone offers the best solution with its wireless data transfer process. Irrespective of the type and format, you can utilize this third-party tool to back up any data, so without wasting any time, download this one-click data backup tool on your system. Now please make sure to leave us a like and comment any of your thoughts and questions down below. Also subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, and hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever a new video is uploaded. Now with that said, until next time, have a great day.